ਤਾਂ ਬੇਟੇ ਨਾਰਮਲੀ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਦੇ ਆਸਕ ਯੂ ਟੂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਸਿਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਰੂਲ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, what they will ask by using frontier molecular orbital theory or by correlational diagrams give selection rules for electrocyclic reactions। ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਐਂਡ ਤੇ ਸਿਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਰੂਲਸ ਦੇਣੇ ਨੇ। ਸਿਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਰੂਲ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ, ਟੇਬਲ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਲਿਖੇ ਸੀ।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ਕਿਹੜਾ ਅਲਾਉਡ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਫੋਰਬਿਡਨ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਸੇਮ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਡੂ ਇਟ ਹੇਅਰ ਆਲਸੋ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, for example, if you have and we have a chemical, so which reaction is allowed under thermal in 4n+2? Yes, which is forbidden, and is exactly this forbidden, and in photochem जो अपन पहला लिखे ने सेम ने, सिलेक्शन रूल सेम रहेंगे बट मेथड्स अलग-अलग ने जिस तरह अपन कर रहे हैं। सेकंड, the third approach is important approach, exam च normally question आंदा है इस approach पे भी। PMO approach, PMO is PMO approach or Huckel-Mobius, or also in short HM, discuss PMO or Huckel-Mobius approach for electrocyclic reaction and gave selection rules. Now, very important point to remember in Huckel-Mobius method. In previous methods, we take frontier molecular orbitals. पिछले methods च अपन की ले ने frontier molecular orbit take, we look transition, not take frontier molecular orbitals, but we look over transition state in which each double bond is, this is very important point to remember, molecular orbital, but we look for the separately. तीन चीजें clear हो गई हैं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in Huckel-Mobius method, we take transition state. Now your transition state, aromatic transition state, or it may be anti-aromatic transition state will be more stable, or anti-aromatic transition state will be more stable. ਕਿਹੜੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਹੋਏਗੀ? ਇਹ ਜਨਰਲ ਜਿਹਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ, ਇੰਨਾ ਸੋਚਣ ਦੀ ਕੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ?
Aromatic.
Aromatic ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਤਾਂ your aromatic transition state is aromatic under thermal, and if it's anti-aromatic it will be forbidden thermal case ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, and in photochemical will be opposite of thermal. Main point is we do not use frontier molecular orbitals in this method. Second point, we take transition state. If transition state is aromatic, reaction is allowed. If it is anti-aromatic, reaction is forbidden under thermal state. Photochemical is the opposite of thermal reaction. Now, how to find out whether reaction is transition state is aromatic or anti-aromatic? So that on the basis of that, we divide transition state into two systems. Has zero node. Now, what is node? Node ਕਿੱਥੇ ਬਣਦੀ ਹੈ?
Sir, ਜਿੱਥੇ electron density
0 ਹੋਵੇ, ਜਿੱਥੇ opposite sign overlap. That system is called Huckel system. If transition state has a zero, if there are 4n+2 pi electronic, and under thermal reaction will be allowed, but photochemical reaction will be forbidden. On the other hand, if there are 4n pi electron, so what will be transition state? Transition state की होएगी?
non-aromatic.
Anti-aromatic. Upon state will be anti-aromatic, and under thermal reaction will be forbidden. On the other hand, if there is a one node, okay, if there is a system with one node or more than one node, so that system will be called, and in Mobius system, if there are 4n+2 pi electrons, it is transition state will be anti-aromatic. So under thermal, it will be allowed or forbidden?
Forbidden.
Forbidden, it will be unstable and forbidden, but photochemically, electron system, transition state will become aromatic, so it will be allowed under thermal, but forbidden in photochemical. So this is your Huckel-Mobius theory. So what we do in Huckel-Mobius theory? In Huckel-Mobius theory, we do not take frontier molecular orbital, one point. Second point, each double bond is taken differently. Third point, we look for transition state, and transition state is divided into two categories, zero node and one node. Zero node is Huckel system, one node is Mobius system. In the thermal state, 4n pi anti-aromatic one node system. ਤਾਂ ਬੇਟੇ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਟਾ ਮਾਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਕੋਈ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ, ਜਸਟ ਰਿਮੈਂਬਰ ਵਨ, photochemical and thermal they are opposite. So yes bete, up to this point if you have any confusion please ask. ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਹੀ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਂਦਾ, ਦੋ ਹੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੇ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਬੇਟੇ ਜੇ ਕਨਫਿਊਜ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਪੁੱਛੋ ਕੁਝ। Okay, so let's see confusion hai ki nahi. Let's take the system. So which system we have to take first? ਕਿਹੜੇ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੁੰਨੇ ਆ ਬੇਟੇ? ਦੋ ਮੈਥਡ ਕਰ ਲੈਣੇ। So which system we will take first? 4n pi electron system. Example. So what we start with? Con rotatory motion. 1,3-butadiene. Now this is your 1,3-butadiene, and these are their terminal orbitals. Now tell me, we have to take HOMO-LUMO here in this theory? No, we have to take each double plus minus plus minus. So this plus minus this double bond. So we have a two double bonds. अगर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਪਣਾ side 2 ਕੀ ਸੀਗਾ? ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਈਨ ਕੀ ਸੀਗਾ? ਸੇਮ ਕਿ opposite?
Opposite.
Opposite, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ FMO ਲਿਆ ਸੀ, ਬਟ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਬਸ। ਸੋ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਸਾਈਨ ਸੇਮ ਆਏਗਾ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ। Rotatory motion. So if we rotate it, con-rotatory means in which rotate like this, I rotate it like this. Like how transition state will look like? Suppose this is your transition state. So you have plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Now this is overlap with this one. Now, of course, this is like this. Now both are rotating in the same direction with what? Both are moving like this. In this side plus नाल overlap करेगी कि minus नाल overlap करेगी? Minus नाल नीचे m. System, you have a node or not? So this is your transition state. So tell me, do you have any node or not in con-rotatory motion? There's a one node. Okay. So which kind of system is it? Huckel system or Mobius system? Mobius. Can electrons involved in it? 2 and 2, 4. It's a 4 and anti-aromatic under thermal situation.
No.
Transition state is aromatic or anti-aromatic? Mobius
Aromatic.
system.
Aromatic.
Aromatic. Good. So under thermal reaction
Allowed.
and photochemically forbidden. Now let us see second case. This rotate. So again, so minus. So we have to do this rotatory motion. That means we have to rotate them in the opposite direction. हाँ जी, कौन कितना overlap करेगा बोलो?
Plus.
This one will overlap like this. Of course, this will overlap with plus or minus? Plus. So this will overlap like this. So how many nodes in transition?
0.
0. So 0 node, 4n pi electron system. Huckel system. Aromatic.
Anti.
So thermal reaction allowed or forbidden?
Forbidden.
And of course, photochemically allowed. So that's simple. Okay, so this was your 4n pi electron system. You get the same rule. In 4n pi electron system, under thermal, con-rotatory is allowed, but in photochemically, dis-rotatory is allowed. Same system. Okay, same result. Okay, if you have any question, please ask. Then we move to our last system. Okay, last system of today. बोलो बेटे, ये confusion है था कोई?
No, sir.
No sir, ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਦਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਵੀ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਲ ਟੈਸਟ ਰੱਖ ਲਵਾਂ ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਔਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਖੜੇ ਨੇ। ਦੂਜਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਬੋਲੋ?
4n+2.
E is your allowed or forbidden cyclohexadiene. So let us start with the con-rotatory motion of orbitals. So what will be sign here? By side-wise overlapping. This will be your second double bond. लेना है थे, ठीक है? Each double bond is taken बनेगी. The so aromatic बनेगी. हाँ जी, कॉन्ट्रेटरी मूविंग इन ए सेम
Mobius.
Mobius प्लस के नाल ओवरलैप करेगा माइनस के नाल, so you have a one node Mobius system. How many electrons are there in pi?
4n plus 2.
So transition state is aromatic or anti-aromatic?
Anti-aromatic.
Reaction
Forbidden.
is and last one, this rotatory motion. So we have state will be Huckel or Mobius. थोड़ी आवाज कट कट के आउंदी है, बोलो बेटे जी दी आवाज साफ आ रही है, बोलो दसो मेनू केड़ा
Huckel.
सिस्टम है, हक्कल है या मोबियस है? पॉजिटिव लो पॉजिटिव नाल ओवरलैप करेगी कि नेगेटिव नाल ओवरलैप करेगी?
Positive नाल sir.
In this rotatory positive will overlap with positive, so you get this Huckel system. So transition state
Aromatic.
aromatic stable allowed photochemically. So this is your PMO theory for 4n plus 2 pi electron system or Huckel-Mobius method for 4n plus 2 pi electron system. तो अगर एग्जाम चाहता है, you have to discuss both systems 4n pi and 4n plus 2 pi electron. This is very easy and very simple. Now yes बेटे बोलो. हाँ जी गौतम.
हाँ yes yes.
Okay. हाँ जी remaining students विकास.
Yes sir हो गया.
Okay. चलो फिर सिलेक्शन रूल्स लिखाओ. सिलेक्शन रूल्स इससे. So selection rule, number of electrons in transition system and 4n plus 2 pi electron system or 1 nodes 0 or 1 or not, and under photochemical is allowed or under thermal. Or not, transition state will be aromatic or not aromatic, nature of transition state. Okay, so state will be aromatic or
Aromatic.
okay, thermal,
Aromatic.
thermal
For-
forbidden,
Allowed.
photochemically
Allowed.
it is rotatory motion. If you have one node 4n pi electron system, you have allowed okay by conrotatory fashion, forbidden it हो जाएगा. So this will be aromatic, this will be anti-aromatic. So thermally it will be allowed, photochemically not allowed. Here it will be thermally not allowed, photochemically. So these are your selection rules by PMO or HM method. Here, so please go through, and if you have any confusion or any doubt, ask. And tomorrow we will start with cycloaddition reactions. Or should I send notes, copy notes or कि book same चीज है, book ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ भी same लिखਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ है? Yes, please tell me.
Sir रहने दो फिर.
You are following book ना? जो करवा रहे हैं book चो देखदे हो कि नहीं?
Sir copy वाला ही पढ़ रहे हैं हले तो.
कॉपी वाला केड़ा पढ़ रहे हो जो मैं करवा रहा?